In this video, I'm about to show you the best setting on the Blackmagic Camera App for perfect picture and videos on Android. First, use HEVC H265 for high quality compression. Then set it up to 4K, the best detail and clarity. Now, choose Apple Lock for more dynamic range and better color grading option. Set to 24 FPS for cinematic look. Lock to 1 per 48th of a second 24 FPS. Next, adjust based on lighting condition but start around 800 to 1600. Now set manually to ensure accurate colors. Adjust as needed to avoid overexposure or underexposure. Enable to help with exposure levels. Then use lookup tables, LUTs, for color grading. Set to around 95% to highlight overexposed areas. Set to an internal microphone or external mic if available. Now choose AAC for good quality audio. Set to 48K haze for professional audio quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.